Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is MUTIARA EKA ZAHRA from 9B. I want to show you how to make feel fried tofu or tahu goreng isi. The ingredients is 10 pieces of tofu, 2 carrots, 250 grams bean sprouts, 250 grams flour, salt, pepper, flavoring, 4 cloves garlic, 5 chilies, leek or onion leaves, oil, and water. The material is pan, bowl, spoon, knife, spatula, plate, and cardboard. First, boil the tofu. Add water. And add a pinch of salt. Turn on the stove. And wait for 15 minutes. After that, turn off the stove and drain the tofu and put in a bowl. Put the oil, turn on the stove, and saute garlic until fragrant. And add all the vegetables and chili. Don't forget to put all seasoning. Cut the middle of tofu. And add the salted vegetable to the tofu. Mix flour, salt, flavoring, and pepper. water. Stir until the mixture becomes thick. Put the oil and turn on the stove. Fry the tofu that has been filled with vegetables and dip the flour mixture. Fry until cooked and golden brown. Finish! Tofu ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.